Here are 5 reasons why you need to vote Plaid Cymru on the 7th of May. Number 1, they'll stand up for Wales. Right now, in Westminster, Wales is an afterthought. We don't have the power nor the finances that we need to make a difference in our country. Plaid Cymru will stand up for Wales and get that funding, get that power we need. Number 2, Plaid Cymru will stop Reform. Now, Reform want to privatise the NHS. They're full of ex-Tories, they're cozying up to Trump, and all of their plans point to a £1 billion black hole in Welsh Government finances. That means public services in Wales put at risk. All the polls are showing right now, Plaid Cymru is the party that can beat Reform and stop that madness. And guess what? We've already done it. Take a look at what happened in Caerphilly. And number 3, free childcare. Right now, childcare for families is more expensive than housing. So Plaid Cymru will deliver free childcare for all children between 9 months and 4 years. That's real help for real families here in Wales. Number 4, Plaid Cymru will cut NHS waiting times. Right now in Wales, people are waiting far too long for treatment, and Welsh Labour have left our NHS in a proper state. We'll fix that. We'll create more treatment centres and we'll hire 100 new GPs. And finally, number 5, Plaid Cymru will help Wales grow. We've always had the ideas, the talent here in Wales, but never the right people in power to make things happen. Plaid Cymru will help support Welsh businesses to grow and retain wealth here in Wales. So, do you like what you hear? Well then vote for Plaid Cymru on May the 7th.